Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed creating multiple threads by using runnable interface. There what we have do? One interface, runnable is there. This interface consists of an abstract method run. This method is implemented in the class sample1, implemented in the class sample2. The run method is implemented in the class sample3. Yes or no? This is done in the last session. Now, here what is the topic? Creation of a thread by using anonymous inner class. What is inner class? The class that is defined inside another class is called inner. Anonymous inner class means without any name. So, how we are doing in this model? Simply, the user defined implementation classes are declared without name. In the previous case, we are using name sample1, sample2, sample3. Within this one, we are writing the logic of run method. Now, we know the concept of anonymous inner class. Here, what you are doing? Without using the implementation class names, directly we can write the logic. Now, coming to the example, see this one. This is the example that we discussed. What is this example? Sample1 is the class which implements a runnable interface. This is some logic. In the similar fashion, sample2. Similar fashion, sample3. Now, in the main method, create an object and we do all the procedure. Now, observe what I am doing. Create a class. Assume the class name is demo thread 22 main. Within this one, what I am doing? Without writing the implementation classes, directly you know how to write an inner class. Interface name runnable, some object is equal to new runnable of, open the bracket and then ended with semicolon. I think you know the syntax. This is the way. How do we write this one? Inside this one, you need to provide the definition for the abstract method of run interface. So anyway, this is the run method. So the logic is same. So run method, within the run method, what I am doing? Just I am printing some message and followed by I am printing the name and followed by I am printing the date. At what time that is displayed? At what time that is displayed? Close. After closing, next two. That means this sample 1 is not at all required. Close. Sample 2 is not required. Sample 3 is not required. Okay, this is also not required. Directly we are writing one program. In my program, I have three classes. Assume I need to create three threads. So there is no name for the thread. That is anonymous. Now, in the similar fashion, create one more runnable OB2. Here I used the name sample2. Create one more runnable OB3. So assume the name I given as sample3. I will given the name as sample3. So remaining procedure is same. Like this, I am providing the definition for all the threads. The remaining procedure as it is, thread T1 is equal to new thread of OB1. New thread of OB1. So thread T2 is equal to thread T3 is equal to. After creating an object, pass the object as the parameter to the thread class. Here the only thing is, instead of using separate classes without class name, I written everything here. If you want, you can set the name Raju T1 dot set name of, sorry, T1 is completed, T2 dot set name of, T3 dot set name of. So like this you can set. After that you can start that T1 dot start of, T2 dot start of, T3 dot start of. Now save. So here in the single program, I created 3 threads. Observe here sample 1. Name is not used. Name is not used. Name is not used. How to create an anonymous inner class? Anonymous inner class means simply an implementation class without any name. So directly within this one, interface object is equal to new interface of. Within this one, you need to provide the definition for the abstract method and then close. This is the syntax of anonymous inner class. Now execute. See, you are getting the output. So here the names, I already said, in the same second only, the 3 threads are executed. The 3 threads are executed in the same second. In the next second, 3 threads are executed. In the next second, 3 threads. Okay. This is the way creating the threads by using anonymous inner class. Anyway, by implementing runnable interface only. So the main aim is only two ways, either extending the thread class or runnable interface. Now, in the next session, we will discuss same, implement the runnable interface, not directly, by using lambda expression. The next session, we will discuss lambda expression. Okay, thank you.